In front of me is XIAOMI 17T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to choose this section called Fingerprints, Face Data and Screen Lock. Now select Face Data after entering your current login method. Over here at Face Data section and enter your login method one more time. Now click on I have read and agreed to the Face Data and Screen Lock privacy statement. Choose Start, hit Continue, and then keep your face in frame following all of the instructions. Select Done and then manage all of those options however you want to. You can even add another face data. For example, if you are wearing glasses. But now let's check out if it worked. When I switch off my screen, turn it back on and look at it, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!